Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Carl's Garage, and today I'm going to show you something kind of funny. So I just locked myself out of my car, technically. I can't put the key in the ignition. It's not turning. Not turning. The reason why I turned my wheel all the way to the right was I needed to get into my fender well to get the plastic clips out so that I can get my front bumper off. So in the middle of shooting a video, I came across a problem. But I found the solution, and it really might help you guys out there. So this is how you unlock your steering wheel without any tools or anything like that. You do need the key though in order to do that. Car manufacturers create this feature so you can lock your wheel all the way to the right, lock your wheel all the way to the left, because if somebody jumps in your car and tries to hotwire it, they won't be able to get it out of ignition. I mean, they won't be able to get it out of gear. They won't be able to, you know, like steal your car if they hotwire it because the wheel is locked. So what you want to do, I locked my wheel all the way to the right. So you want to turn your wheel and see which way you have any play. I know it feels like that there's not any play, but you're going to have to turn it to the right or to the left very hard to see if there's any play at all. You want to do this with the key in the ignition. Sorry, excuse me. You want to do this with the key in the ignition. So I'm going to stick the key in the ignition, and I'm going to see if I can turn it to the left or to the right. I can't turn it to the left. Oh, I have a little bit of play to the right. So what I'm going to do now is the next step. Turn it all the way to the right. Now your key turns. It comes back. There you go. So that's how you get your wheel out of unlock. I know it might scare you. Hopefully you watch this video and you're able to be like, oh man, Carl's Garage helped me out. He got my wheel unlocked. Don't worry, your car's not broke or anything like that. It's not stuck. It's just a safety feature that a lot of modern cars come with. So guys, let me go back into my video of me removing and replacing the front bumper. Make sure you guys go check that video out. Check out all my other Carl's Garage videos. Thank you for Flash Custom Designs filming in the back. She came in because I was a little bit scared, but I was able to figure it out, guys. So thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe to Flash Custom Designs, straight to the content, and just stay tuned for all future Kia videos and other car content. You guys know my slogan. I am hungry, but I'm gonna go finish work. Then I'm gonna eat. Be safe, be basic. Peace.